how to remove painted on pinstripe. My name is Stephen Wimberley, and this is Working with Wimberley. Here are all of the products that I used to try and remove that pinstripe. I started with this clean strip lacquer thinner, and when that didn't work, I thought I would try a different brand. So I tried Jasco, that didn't work. I tried the Xylene, that didn't work. Paint thinner didn't work. Aircraft remover didn't work, and it actually started to mess up and stain the clear coat. Goof off didn't work, and one of these eraser wheels did not work. And I even tried Easy Off heavy duty oven cleaner. I literally tried every single thing that I saw on the internet. The only thing that worked was this Cerama Bryte cooktop cleaner, and I have an Amazon link in the description. But I figured I would give it a shot, and you won't believe it, this stuff takes the pinstripe right off. This is painted on hardened pinstripe, which has to be on here for at least 10 years. So if you're having this issue, you might want to give this a shot, but definitely do this at your own risk. Right now, I'm removing the pinstripe from the driver's side of this CTS. As you can see, I've already removed it from the passenger side. All right, you just saw me do from the tail light to about this back window, and it's very slow going, but it works. And again, none of these products worked, not lacquer thinner, paint thinner, nothing. But this Cerama Bryte will take off the pinstripe. Got a lot of work ahead of me because I have to go all the way down the car, but I'll let you all see it when it's done. Here's the finished product. You can see that all of the pinstripe is off. And here's the towel. Every single black mark is where I was rubbing off the pinstripe. But after you get so much paint in one spot, you need to move on and pick a clean spot, or it will stop rubbing off the paint. So this was very tedious. This one side took me about 2.5 hours with no breaks. So it's not easy, it's not quick. But the Cerama Bryte was literally the only thing that actually worked. And nothing else worked to get this off. If you have a pinstripe you want to take off, old painted pinstripe that will not budge, give this a shot. It worked for me. It might work for you as well. If you found that video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.